Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a game site with Weebly. This is a fantastic way to create your own gaming platform, where visitors can play multiple games directly on your website without any downloads or complicated setup. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Weebly dashboard where you can manage all your sites and projects. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen, right beside where it says Setup Guide. You'll see your account name displayed there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Add Site. This is where you'll begin building your gaming website from scratch. A prompt will appear asking what type of site you want to create. Choose the option that says, I just need a website. This selection keeps things simple and gives you full control over the design and content without unnecessary complexity. Next up, you'll be presented with a variety of themes to choose from. Take your time browsing through them and select a theme that will suit a gaming website. Look for something modern, engaging, and visually appealing that will attract gamers and keep them interested in exploring your site. Once your theme is selected, navigate to the top menu and find the option labeled Pages. Click on it, then click the plus icon to add a new page. From the options that appear, select Standard Page. This creates a fresh page where you'll house your games. You'll be prompted to name this new page. Call it something like Games or any other name that fits your vision. Then click Done. At this stage, you can also customize settings like the header type, page visibility, and page SEO settings to optimize how your page appears and performs. Now comes the exciting part, adding actual games to your site. First, you need to get embedded code for the games you want to feature. Search for free HTML5 games online. There are plenty of websites offering embeddable games that you can use legally on your site. For this tutorial, I found some great embedded code for games on gameshero.com. Simply browse through their game library, find the games you want to feature, and click on them. Scroll down on the games page until you find its embedded code section. Just copy that code to your clipboard. Head back to the Weebly editor page. Make sure you're on the Build tab in the top menu. This is where you'll construct and customize the layout of your page. Now focus on the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your site. Look for the embed code element. If you can't immediately see it, just click Show All Elements to reveal more options. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it onto your website page where you want the game to appear. Click on the element you just placed and then click Edit Custom HTML. A text box will open up where you can paste the embedded code you copied earlier from the game site. After pasting the code, your game will now be embedded directly into your page. From here, you can continue editing your game site by adding titles, descriptive text, images, and even more games using the same process. You can create a polished, professional-looking gaming site that's both fun and functional. And there you have it, you've successfully created a game site with Weebly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.